guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable hip on your fast body app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on statistics settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to hip, just click in this sign. Like you see this color super as that's mean here hip enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.